Here we have a spreadsheet where we have an investment situation. We're going to make a one-time initial investment of $5,000. Every month we're going to invest $100. We're going to do that for 40 years. This would be a retirement type scenario. And we expect to get a 9% return over time. We're hoping that the stock market, on average, year over year is going to give us a 9% return. So in this case, the future value is $648,682. But let's say we want to have $5 million when we retire. $5 million bucks will be able to do quite a bit. Of course, with inflation, it's not going to be worth as much as $5 million, but $5 million is still quite a big chunk of change. So let's go to data, what if analysis, and let's go to goal seek. So we want to set our future value. It's currently at $648,000. We want that to be $5 million. And all we're going to change is our monthly investment. So goal seek is really good at finding a specific value. Goal seek has some limitations though. As you can see here, we can only change one input to reach one target output. But for what it does it very well. I'm going to click OK. This is going to happen real fast. It found it real quick. So I click OK. So a monthly investment of $1,030 every month for 40 years at a 9% return is going to give me $5 million. So I'm pretty good with that. So if I set that as a goal, once I start working my job, if I can set aside $1,000 a month, you're going to have $5 million at the end of 40 years, assuming a decent return on investment. Sorry, assuming a decent rate of return. There we go.